I'm going to show some demo of my quadcopter. So here is a bunch of graphs. It's too messy really to explain, but like here is the final information, and you have gyro and accelerometer information, and filter and null filter and so on. But these values are messy and not easy to look at. So let's look at this instead. So here you have the horizon according to the accelerometer, and here is according to gyro, and here is the filtered output. And here is the quadcopter. So if I just shake it a bit, you can see that the left one is really doing stupid things, and I'm just like doing this. So you can see I'm not really changing the horizon, but the left one is jumping like a retard. The middle one isn't moving at all, because that's the gyro, and that works good for this. But the right one is the filtered one. That's the... I take the low pass of this and the high pass of this and put it here. And then I can change the corner frequencies and stuff, but that's basically what it does. So now if I take this and just move it around like this a bit, you can see that the right one is actually very, very good. It's pretty much exactly correct. While the middle one now, the gyro, it has drifted a bit, as you can see. So that's not good. Like if I put it down now, again, now it's flat. And you can see that the gyro is drifting quite a lot. And this is because the gyro is, yeah, now something bad happened. Let's see here. Yeah. So let's calibrate that one again. There are maybe some bugs that I need to work on, but it's pretty much working. I know what the problem was, so I'm just going to fix that. Yeah, so if I take it again and move it around like this, you can see now that the data is... The right one is very, very nice, and it's exactly what I do with it. But now you can see that this one has moved. It will slowly creep up to right angle again. I will increase this rate at which is you go back, and then I won't have the problem you saw here earlier. But so you see now that this one, this is the integration. We're integrating a value, and now it's had drifted off. But this one is still correct because we take the low pass of this and the high pass of this, and then we get the correct one. So if I shake it again, you can see that it's the left one is very bad. The middle one isn't doing anything, and the right one still gets a bit of the noise from the accelerometer, but it's not that much. I can maybe lower the corner frequencies a bit more and see if that becomes better. So if I do like this, you can see now that it only has 3 supports, and I can move it down. And you can see that the right one is doing exactly what I'm doing. The accelerometer one, if I'm hitting it a bit, the accelerometer one is quite jumpy. So basically the filtering now kind of works. It's a little bit more work, but it will work pretty much soon. I can also set the motors. I won't do this because it might lock, and well, more graphs, a lot of graphs. Yeah, I can see the raw communication here if you want to, but it's not really interesting. Now it sends at only 100 Hertz, the packages, so you can see it increases here, packages. Yeah. So that's pretty much it so far. So I'm going now to I'm going to first fix the problems with build up. But whenever I fix that, I will start with the PID loops and see if I can make it correct. So now you can see that this one has, it's slowly moving back. But it's moving back so slowly that it can drift enough to cause an overflow. So I will increase the drift rate of this one so that it drifts back much quicker. Because basically any behavior on this one at frequency is lower than the corner frequency will be removed anyway. So I can 10-fold or 100-fold the rate at which it goes back to 0. So that's pretty much it so far. And we can have a look at the quadcopter. You can see here a battery on the bottom. And I have 4 pins. Those pins fit into this one if I need to charge it from the power supply. But it also gets charged from the programmer, but then it doesn't get charged as quickly as it could. So this is the programmer connected to an STM discovery thingy. And there is a small Bluetooth module just hanging on it. First, I meant to use another module, Nordic RF module, but I couldn't get that one to work, so I just put in a Bluetooth module, and that works basically good. One of the propellers is dead, so I need to fix that also. So that's it for now.